Litchfield was a railroad town. As the St. Paul and Pacific Railroad extended its tracks westward, the company took an active hand in the settlement of the village, providing its initial plat and naming it after a major railroad investor, Electus Darwin Litchfield. The most important entrance to town, then, was the depot, which served as the gateway to Sibley Avenue and the growing commercial district. Even as the new town grew rapidly, in 1880 the local newspaper expressed disappointment in the available hostelries. The hotels of Litchfield are not what they should be, and it is hoped that some of our enterprising citizens will take the matter in hand and see that a good hotel is provided, one that shall be in keeping with the other excellent features of our young city. Enter Jacob Howard. A veteran of the Civil War, Colonel Howard moved to Litchfield in 1872 and built the first independent grain elevator in the county. In 1881, he built a grand hotel, 3 stories high with a prominent mansard roof, on the corner of Sibley Avenue and Depot Street. The Minneapolis Tribune said, "No Minnesota town outside the metropolis has a better hotel than the Howard House of Litchfield. It is a 4-story brick building containing 50 chambers, a roomy and well-appointed office, sample rooms conveniently arranged to meet all requirements of travelers, home-like parlors, a large and pleasant living room, where an excellent bill of fare always greets the travelers, and withal is within 2 minutes' walk of the depot." In the early years, the hotel reached out primarily to business clients, complete with a sample room where traveling salesmen could display their wares, but it also had a bar and a pool hall. The hotel was so popular that in 1900, the owners added a 3-story addition to the rear. Soon after, it was purchased by local businessman Erhard Lenhardt, who changed its name. By 1930, trains were losing their passengers to the automobile. But a new mode of transportation gave the Lenhardt Hotel a new lease on life, when the Greyhound bus line made the hotel's restaurant into its local depot. By the 1960s and 70s, automobile-accessible motels became the popular stop for travelers, and the Lenhardt's rooms were rented by transients. The Greyhound finally moved the depot to a new location. Finally, in 1978, in need of major repairs, the great hotel was torn down, a lost landmark.